Hey folks, 1881 MF here on the Life Buzzing channel. It's a beautiful April day in East Tennessee. We're getting ready to plant us a sunflower patch, hereby known as Sunnyville for my little Debbie. We're gonna plow up this 13 by 13 area in between the two barns where we had chickens a couple years ago, so it should be nice and fertilized, and we're gonna plant sunflowers.
Oh, I can't wait. Oh my goodness.
And these are for little Debbie.
Ooh,
That's right. We're going to pack them in tight. And if you look right here, that's our little area right there. So first thing I'm going to do is till it up and we'll go from there. Alrighty, there she blows. Got her tilled up. It's pretty nice dirt as expected. And now we'll level it out and put our sunflowers in. Look at that root I found. I don't know if it's honeysuckle or snake vine. I don't know what it is, but it's a biatch. Stay tuned. All ready for rows and seeds. Pretty nice. Okay, so this is the pack we're going to put on the back. They get 16 feet tall, 18 inches apart. So we're going to put that right back here on this back row. And I've recruited a little cutie to do it for me. And she's got her little helper. So we're going to hoe that right back there. So that first pack only had 5 seeds, so we're going to put this one, this is a 12-footer, we're going to mix it in that row. Here you go, honey. So she's got 3 rows with 16 to 12 footers, and our next couple rows we're going to use these, which are 4 and 5 to 6 feet. She's getting her done. Storm's coming in, so we're hurrying. She's got 5 rows in, and now this is a 5-footer and a 4 to 6 footer. She's going to put in the next 2 rows. We're overdoing it. That's how we roll, huh, honey?
Over the top.
She's going to squeeze 3 more rows in. These are 4 to 5 footers. I think that'll be about perfect. There it is. She got her all planted. How many rows total, babe?
9.
9 rows of sunflowers.
9.
60 days, people. Let's see what happens. We'll keep you updated. Well, here we are. I think day 5, maybe. And I believe we have sunflowers. Working their way up the row. It's hard to see, but they're coming in. Oh yeah, there's some more over there in that row. They're coming along, growing like weeds. And there they are, all grown up. There's a bunch of weeds and stuff in there, but we're not going to worry about it, because they'll grow right up over them. Happy sunflowers in Sunnyville. And there we are. Looks like we have sunflowers. Those back ones are probably 9 feet tall at least. You got little ones. Orange ones, yellow ones, backwards ones. Fun.